Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful flamingo easy. So let's start. First, I am drawing the basic outline with pencil here for the head and the neck and the wings. With basic outline, our drawing may be so much easy. After that, I draw with pen like this. Here the wing, few lines for the feathers like this. This is so much easy. Here and the legs, this one and this one. Don't be quick, draw relaxing, and this may be somewhat enjoyable also. The water lines like this. Oh, we forget to draw the beak and eye. Sorry for that. The beak and the eye. After that, let's erase the pencil lines like this. Here, I draw grasses like this. This grass also so much easy. I hope all people can draw this. These are some flowers. I add 3 of them and other branch like this. I add 3. Here, this one is somewhat different and easy like this, and I add other one also. After that, I add few lines in the neck. In these flowers also, I use some lines like this as somewhat shadow in a corner. So we finish our flamingo drawing. So let's color it. I normally use color pencil for my coloring. Firstly, I use red color somewhat as an outline, as a deep layer. For the wings also like this. In all pen lines, I use red color as a deep layer, and here somewhat light layer. For these places also I add red color. After that, orange color somewhat I add as a deep layer as a outline. I add pink color like this as a deep layer. This one also not all over the flamingo. I save some spots. There are somewhat small spots here. For the head also I use pink color as a deep layer. I add yellow color as a deep layer in the other places like this. The beak I use red color. For the water, firstly I use dark blue as a deep layer to light layer here, and water lines also somewhat as a deep layer I add, and here all over there I use as a light layer dark blue. I add light blue. In lines I add as a deep layer, and other places I add as a light layer somewhat. After that I add yellow color and red color. These two are also as a light layer. Let's color the grasses. Firstly I use dark green like this, not all over the grasses, somewhat as a deep layer like this. Two of them are same. After that, I add yellow color. If you like, you can use dark green or light green all over the grasses also. But when we use color combinations, it's so much beautiful. For these flowers, firstly I use purple color in a corner like this and yellow color as a deep layer in other corner. And for these flowers, I use orange color as a deep layer like this. So we finish our flamingo. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.